Hi, this is Jill with StampWithJill.com and Fun Stamper's Journey, and welcome to episode 4 of my IGTV. Today we are going to make this super simple sympathy card. It uses the spring botanicals. I know it's not really spring, it's summer, but we're going to use spring botanicals. And we are also going to use the Strength and Hope sympathy stamp set and the matching die that goes with it. So let's get started. The colors I'm using today are Beach Breeze, Black Licorice, and Tin Pale. And we are going to use, first we are going to have a, let's do the stamping first. So I have a whipped cream panel here, and we are going to stamp 3 of the flowers in Beach Breeze ink, and we are going to do that on the 3 corners. So I'm going to just move my supplies here. So I like to do, let's ink this up real good. We are going to do 1 large flower here, and I like to go off the edge. We are going to do a partial flower here, and we are going to do a partial flower on the bottom corner here. And that's all we need for the flowers. Then we are going to stamp in Tin Pale ink the branches. So they look like that. And you really just fill in the edges with and they're super light. I like that actually. So you can fill those in like that, stamp all the way around. And maybe one more up there. Then you leave your spot for your sentiment. So the sentiment is with sympathy, but a thank you, a happy birthday, any kind of sentiment in black will work for this. So I have a scrap piece of whipped cream. We are going to stamp the sympathy in black licorice. I'm going to move my stuff out of the way. And by the magic of TV, I already have this die cut out. And now we are ready to assemble the card. So I have the Beach Breeze cardstock. This is 4 by 5 1/4, and we are going to tape the stamped panel right to that. And this whipped cream cardstock is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, so just 1/8 of an inch smaller all the way around. We are going to put some foam squares on the back, so it has a little bit of dimension. And then you're going to want to put some, oops, knocked over my glue, put some foam squares here on the sentiment. We can peel those off like that. Got to peel these guys off. And we are almost done. So I'm going to take the card, put that right there in the center. I'm going to center this one just like that. And then we are going to put the sympathy right there in the middle. And you have a beautiful card for thank yous, birthdays, whatever sentiment you choose, sympathy for this one in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for joining me today.